Okay, white flag is up. We're back live here at the DeVoe, Michigan Marathon. Day one of racing here at DeVoe Beach in Indian River. We had a little break in the action as the C's went out. The next up, we have the D class getting ready to take off the beach. And your last, but certainly not least class, are your J drivers, your youngest drivers here on the beach, which they can start racing at just 9 years old. Up next are your your D class. So that white flag flies. Tom Fairburn holds that white flag. White flag is down. 60 seconds to the green. D class coming off the beach here just momentarily. Luke Bosker there in that green and white and blue boat. 40 seconds. $30 seconds. 20 seconds. Green flag is up. It's at Sarah Beck's call. Flag is down. D's are coming off the beach here at DeVoe Beach. Your largest motor size, your largest boat. It's the 140M and the 95M. That's Josh Pearson in the 95M. Luke Bosker there, about fifth back. These are your largest boats, biggest motors. We're gonna catch them as they come into the river. Next up are your J drivers. Carson will be taking off the beach. As they round that pin, who's gonna be the first into the river? Luke Bosker moves up to second. Side by side, third. Who's it gonna be? I believe that's Josh Pearson coming in. It's the 95M, Josh Pearson. The 140M, the 44M, 22M, the 114M, 200M. Ooh, that one getting a little squirrely, coming in. That's the 827-inch. The 7C, that's a sit-down boat. The 164M. 55M. 192M. 61M. One more D coming down into the river. That's the Olsen boat. Woo! Got splashed on that one. Your last and certainly not least class are your young J drivers. Addie Love, Theo Hearn, Tyler Burdick, Carson Firak, and I don't know that other boat. There's 5 drivers here looking to make their way off of DeVoe Beach. Carson on the very inside there with the crew. One more boat coming through. That's the 310M. So just momentarily, your last class. Let things kind of settle here. Carson getting ready to take off DeVoe Beach. Just momentarily, we will be one to the white. So we have one boat making its way back to the beach. One minute to the white. White flag. 1 minute to the green. So just joining us, white flag is down, 1 minute to the green. Dustin came off the beach kind of like 15 or so back, but made it into the river about 7th entering the river in that 25 class. Now it's Carson's turn. This is the J class. They do a shorter course, 30 seconds. "30 seconds. I was a little ampy. It was 50 seconds, but here we go. "20 seconds. Green flag is up. It's at Sarah Beck's call. Fearac Racing getting set. Green flag is down. Good jump by Carson on the inside, but he needs to be smart as it is very rough out here. As they come down, they got to come down into the pin here, the can. We're going to get a shot of him as he's the first one, first one to come around. He's got Theo Hearn. He's got Tyler Burdick on his tail, followed by Theo Hearn, Addie Love. One more J driver, there's 5 of them. That's the 18W. Okay, we're gonna sign off. We're gonna go relocate ourselves. It's going to be about 10 to 12 minutes before these J drivers come back. So we'll be at the start finish line, crossing our fingers. Carson comes back in first.